Hi, I'm DIMITY SKYE. Welcome to the beautiful Byron Bay. This is where I live and it is where I create the videos for my YouTube channel. On this channel, you will find free videos about yoga, pilates, mindfulness, meditation, and life coaching. Basically, anything that will help you to improve the quality of your life. The reason that I provide these videos for free is because I care about you. I care about your health, I care about your well-being. Because the healthier we are as individuals, the healthier our families are, the healthier our communities are. Every single video is designed to help you to love yourself at a deeper level. Because the more we love ourselves, the more we love others. And that is the essence of this life. It is about learning to love ourselves well so that that love can overflow out of our lives and into the lives of those who are around us. Thank you so much once again for joining me. I am so honored and privileged to have you here. I see you, I honor you, and I am so grateful that you are here. I look forward to practicing on the mat with you soon.